All right, what's up, everybody? We got our three-box break for this evening. One 2014 Bowman Sterling, one 2014 Topps Museum, and one 2014 Totally Certified. 21 estimated hits. Let's pull some nasties. We're going to start off with the Certified, since it is the cheaper of the three products. Wax shipment just came in today, so keep on the lookout for some hard hitting breaks. Oops, other side here. 1 pack, 2 pack, 3 pack, and 4. Alright guys, here's our kickoff. Good luck, everybody. We got to hit a pack in this product. Here we go. Antonio Brown. Vincent Jackson. Red. That's numbered to 100. Kadeem Carey, rookie card. Card on the back. Matt Schwab. And Troy Nicholas for the Cardinals. Rookie auto, blue variation. That's numbered to 25. For the Cardinals, that's going to Rob McCoy with the Birds. Troy Nicholas, rookie auto for the Cardinals. That's numbered to 25. Going to Rob McCoy. Nice hit, Rob. Second pack. Good luck, guys. Here we go. Andy Dalton. Jericho Cotchery. Tyler Gaffney. Card on the back. Le'Veon Bell. And our hit is A.J. McCarron. Rookie jersey. Rookie roll call. Not numbered. For the Bengals, that's going to Mark Beckers with the Bengals. Nice hit, Mark. Just sleeve and top load that for you. A.J. McCarron, rookie jersey, going to Mark Beckers. Reggie Bush, Dez Bryant, James Wilder Jr., rookie card on the back, Michael Crabtree, and we have a redemption card. First redemption card I pulled out of the Certified. Don't know who he is yet. I haven't seen it. You guys haven't seen it. We're going to leave it right there. We're going to open the other pack first. Hopefully the redemption is something good. Like I said, I haven't seen a redemption in the Certified yet. Jimmy Graham. Lamar Miller. Zach Martin. Card on the back is Tavon Austin. And Logan Thomas. Rookie roll call. Different variation. Another hit for the Cardinals. Going to Rob McCoy. Let's see what it's numbered to. 1 of 50. Nice hit, Rob. Let me sleeve and top load that for you. Logan Thomas, rookie jersey Numbered 1/50. Going to Rob McCoy. Alright guys, let's see who our redemption is. We're going to cover it up with Zach Martin rookie card here. Interesting redemption so far. Football. 2014 Panini, totally certified. Good luck, guys. Rookie autographed jersey, platinum red. Good luck. Card number 173, Jadeveon Clowney. Rookie autographed jersey, platinum red. That might be really low numbered, I'm not sure. But that's going to the Texans. Mr. Jeff York. Nice hit, Jeff. Yeah. Like I said, I haven't seen any redemptions in this stuff yet. I think we've opened like 2 cases of it. So, I'm sure it's a harder card to get. Alright. We're going to move on to our next product. The museum. Alright. Good luck, guys. Hopefully we get some quality hits in here. There's our 4 packs. Empty box. There's 1. There's 2. Three. And 4. Nice. Nice hit, Jeff. Alright, guys. First pack out of our museum. Good luck. Marcus Allen. Sammy Watkins, rookie card. Carlos Hyde, rookie card. Card on the back is Devonta Freeman. Gold variation, not numbered. Rookie card. And I think we got to flip it. Matt Forte. Auto for the Bears. Number to 25. Who has the Bears? Mr. Gregory Kelly with the Bears. Nice hit, Greg. Let me sleeve and top load that for you. Matt Forte. Auto number to 25. I'm going to Gregory Kelly. Alright, our second pack. Aaron Murray. Brandon Marshall. Phillip Rivers. Card on the back. Percy Harvin Gold, not numbered. And nasty. Dante Moncrief patch. 25 of 25. Nice patch. For the Colts, that's going to Roger Barbrick. Nice hit, Roger. Nice Dante Moncrief patch, number to 25. Dante Moncrief. Patch number to 25. Going to Roger Barbrick. Nice hit, Roger. All right, third pack. Bishop Sankey, rookie card. Rob Gronkowski. Emmitt Smith. Card on the back. Troy Polamalu, gold variation. And, oh, nasty patch. We're going to have a randomization here. Johnny Manziel, Blake Bortles, Russell Wilson. Look at that rusty patch. Nasty. And Ryan Tannehill. So those four teams, the owners of those four teams, will get randomized. Number to 25. Every card in this box has been numbered to 25 so far. Johnny Manziel, Blake Bortles, Russell Wilson, Ryan Tannehill. Number to 25. Nice. Let's see who we got there. We have the Browns, which is Ed Pazinski. The Jaguars, which is Jeremy Mann. The Russell Wilson. The Seahawks, which is, bear with me, Rob McCoy. And the Dolphins, Donald Ford Jr. All right, you guys will be in the randomization for that nice quad patch, number to 25. Manziel, Bortles, Wilson, Tannehill. Very nice. We'll get right to that after this break. I'll hop on Break Station 3000, the other computer. We'll fire it up and we'll break that bad boy too. Jimmy Garoppolo, rookie card. Cam Newton, base. This should be our RPA. Terry Bradshaw, museum collection. Card on the back. Marquise Lee, rookie card, blue variation, numbered to 99. And our final hit from the museum box is Brandon Cooks, numbered to 50. Nice. Nice three-colored patch there. For the Saints, that's going to David Hill. Nice hit, David. Brandon Cooks, numbered to 50. Let me sleeve and top load that. Brandon Cooks, RPA, numbered to 50. Alright, we're going to move right on to our Sterling. We'll do a recap of all our hits at the end. Here's our box topper and our first pack. Good luck, guys. Calvin Pryor. Oops. Taylor Lewin, rookie card. Aaron Murray, rookie card. And our first hit is Andre Williams. Dual jersey, two color there. For the Giants, that's going to Lloyd Ferguson. Lloyd Ferguson with the Andre Williams. And our second hit, set this down, Taylor Lewin. It's stuck to the other one slightly. Dante Moncrief. RPA, numbered to 75. Looks like Emerald Variation or something. Good looking card. For the Colts, that's going to Roger Barbrick. Let's sleeve and top load these. Andre Williams, dual jersey patch. And Dante Moncrief, RPA, number to 75. All right, second pack. Good luck, guys. Jadeveon Clowney, rookie card. Robert Herron, rookie card, number to 75. Card on the back. Vouchets Purifoy, rookie card for the Colts. And our first hit, pack number 2, Allen Robinson. Nice 3-color patch there. For the Jaguars, that's going to Jeremy Mann. Nice hit, Jeremy. And our second hit, pack number 2, Zach Mettenberger, rookie auto. For the Titans, that's going to Wesley Lackey. Nice hit, Wes. Let me sleeve and top load these guys real quick. Zach Mettenberger, rookie auto. And Allen Robinson, dual patch. Let me grab some more top loaders really quick, guys. All right, guys. Well, I had the wrong size. I thought these were a little thinner, but they aren't. So I want to put them in the right size cases for you guys. Jeez, John. Robert Herron, rookie card. Storm Johnson, rookie card. Card on the back, Allen Robinson, rookie card. And first hit, pack number 3, Jay Samaro. Jay Samaro, rookie patch. For the Jets, that's going to Lloyd Ferguson. Nice hit, Lloyd. And our second hit, pack number 3, Luis Nix. For the Texans, that's numbered to 50. That's going to Jeff York. Jason Morrow. Rookie patch. Luis Nix. Rookie auto number to 50. Fourth pack. Jared Abbrederis, rookie card. Oh, we gotta go the other way. 2 cards on the back. Xavier Grimbo. Bishop Sankey. And our first hit, Davian Clowney. Texans are smashing out of the park. Jeff York, nice hit. Clowney 2-colored dual patch. And our second hit, pack number 4 is nice. Mike Evans. RPA. Number to 185. For the Buccaneers. That's going to Ed Pazinski. Nice hit, Ed. Good looking card. Let me sleeve and top load these. Clowney, dual 2-color patch. And Mike Evans, RPA. Number to 185. Alright, nice hit, Ed. Continuing, 5th pack. Devontae Adams. Dre Archer. And that's numbered to 50 for the Steelers. And that's going to Zach Palmerton. Nice hit, Zach. Something. Card on the back, Marion Grice. And our first hit, pack number 5, Terrence West. Nice 2-color patch there. Jersey, 2-color jersey. Terrence West for the Browns. That's going to Ed Pazinski. Smashing him, Ed. Nice hit. And our second hit, pack number 5, is Jared Abbrederis, rookie card for the Packers. That's going to Mike Hansen. Nice hit, Mike. Let me sleeve and top load him. Mike's a Vikings fan. He'll probably set that on fire. Terrence West, 2-color rookie dual jersey. Jared Abbrederis, rookie card auto. And of course, Mr. Zach Dre Archer. Can't forget him. There he is. All right, our 6th pack. There's our empty box. Good luck, guys. We got this and then our box topper. Timmy Jernigan, rookie. Bruce Ellington, rookie. Dre Archer, rookie. And our first hit, pack number 6. Kelvin Benjamin. Kelvin Benjamin for the Panthers. That's going to Eric Hall. I know, poor guy. Nice hit, Eric. Definitely, he's going to bounce back. And our second hit, pack number 6, is Marion Grice, rookie auto for the Chargers. That's going to Eugene Willingham. Eugene, you got a hit, brother. Don't be going and lining it on eBay or anything yet until you get it. Kelvin Benjamin, dual jersey patch. And Marion Grice, rookie auto. Alright, guys, we're going to do a quick recap of our break right after we bust this box topper. Good luck. Ooh, snap. Uh-oh. Oh, boy. Somebody's going to be happy. Hang on one second. Johnny Manziel. Imagine if he panned out. Box topper. 1/1 for the Browns. Going to Ed Pazinski. Nasty. Nice hit, Ed. Johnny Foosball. Nasty patching. Like I said, imagine if he panned out. Card's crazy. It's got a metal front. And you can't really see it. Johnny Foosball. 1/1 printing plate, box topper, patch. Nasty patch, too. Going to Ed Pazinski. Nice hit, Ed. I was hoping it was autoed for you, brother. That would have been real sick. Let me sleeve and top load this. Alright. Clean this last up. We'll do a recap of our hits. We're going to start off with the certified. 2014 totally certified rookie autographed jersey platinum red, number 173, Jadeveon Clowney. Thanks, Eric. They have. We've been pulling some good stuff. Logan Thomas. Jersey, numbered to 50, number 1/50. A.J. McCarron. Jersey, rookie roll call, not numbered. And Troy Nicholas. Rookie auto for the Cardinals, numbered to 25. Continuing. Marion Grice. Rookie auto. Dre Archer. I think it's called a Pulsar Refractor, maybe. Numbered to 50. Jared Abbrederis. Rookie card for the Packers. Luis Nix. Rookie auto for the Texans. Zach Mettenberger. Rookie auto for the Titans. Here's from our museum box. Brandon Cooks, RPA, number to 50. Nasty patch. Johnny Manziel, Blake Bortles, Russell Wilson, Ryan Tannehill, number to 25. Good card. Dante Moncrief, rookie, fat patch, number 25 of 25. Matt Forte, excuse me, Matt Forte, auto, veteran auto, gold variation, number 25. That was the museum box. We're going to continue with the Sterling box. I already showed some. Calvin Benjamin, dual rookie patch. Terrence West, dual jersey, 2-color. Mike Evans, RPA, number to 185. Good card, good auto. Jadeveon Clowney, dual rookie jersey patch, 2-color. Jay Samaro, rookie patch. Allen Robinson, 3-color, dual patch. Dante Moncrief, RPA, number to 75. Emerald variation. Andre Williams, dual jersey, 2-color. And our box topper, Johnny Manziel. Printing plate. One of one. Good hit, Mr. Brzezinski. Alright, guys. There it is. That's your break. You're going to get this video uploading. That way everybody that wasn't able to watch live can watch it. And we're going to get right on to that other break. I'm going to check the payments. We'll randomize it. And we'll be right back here before you know it. Alright, thanks, guys.